Use vertical space. In small spaces, thinking beyond the floor area is essential. Your walls hold untapped potential. By utilizing vertical space, you can significantly increase your storage without sacrificing valuable floor space. Floating shelves, for example, are perfect for storing books, decorative items, or kitchen essentials. You can even use them to showcase artwork, adding style while staying practical. Wall-mounted racks in the kitchen are an excellent solution for hanging pots, pans, or utensils, freeing up your counters for prep work. In the bedroom, tall wardrobes or cabinets that reach the ceiling provide much-needed storage for clothing, linens, and accessories, keeping everything organized without taking up more floor space. Another clever way to use vertical space is by installing pegboards. Whether in your office, kitchen, or entryway, pegboards are incredibly functional for hanging items like bags, keys, or office supplies. They are customizable, allowing you to rearrange hooks or baskets based on your needs and preferences, making them as stylish as they are practical. Don't forget about hanging plants. Ceiling-mounted planters or vertical gardens are great for bringing a touch of greenery into your space without crowding your counters or floors. Vertical storage options like over-the-door racks, hanging organizers, or even slim shelving units placed in narrow spaces help keep your home clutter-free and visually appealing. By thinking vertically, you can make a small space feel larger, more organized, and functional. You'll be surprised by how much extra room you can create just by looking upwards. So, how will you start using that vertical space in your home?